Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix voicemail missing or not showing up after updating your iPhone. So let's get started. So the first and easiest step is to simply restart your iPhone. Many times a voicemail disappears temporarily after an update and a quick reboot can refresh your network connection and bring it back. After that, open up settings. Tap on cellular and make sure it is turned on. Voicemails relies on your carrier network, so if your signal or mobile data is weak, it might not appear properly. You can also try toggling on airplane mode and then turn it off after a few seconds. Also, you can update your carrier settings. Sometimes after an iOS update, your carrier settings need to be updated manually. So inside settings, tap on general, scroll below, then tap on about. Now if you see a pop-up that says carrier settings update, then tap on update. This fixes voicemail syncing problems. After that, scroll below, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then select reset network settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi networks such as Bluetooth device, so reconnect them afterward. And that's it. That is simply how you can fix voicemail missing after updating your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.